Estimating lengths of ridge boards on a gable roof. This is one of the more simpler things to figure out. If I'm trying to figure out the ridge board for this drawing that I have here, my ridge board is going to, if this building did not have any overhang, the length of this ridge board would be the length of the walls. So if this wall is 30 feet here, my ridge board would have to start from this end all the way to this end, which is the same 30 feet. So my length of my rafter, equals 30 feet. So usually if I used a 2x6 rafter, then my ridge board is one size bigger. So if it's a 2x6, I'm going to need a 2x8 30 footer. But of course, you know that they won't sell us a 30 foot, so we will have to break it down into two different dimensions, which would be I can go with 16s times 2 is 32, 2 16s, or I can go with 14. Let's see what's a 14 and a 12 get us to. Like I was mentioning, I could order 2 16s to equal 32, then I just have 1 foot of waste, or I can do a 16 and 14, and that would equal my 30 feet. So my quantities for my ridge board equals 1 2x8x16, 1 2x8x14. And all I'm going to do is just butt them up together and sandwich them in the middle with some lumber. And that's it.